Voiding a document in the DocuSign mobile app means canceling it before it's fully signed. This is useful for correcting errors or withdrawing agreements. As of January 2026, the DocuSign mobile app allows you to void envelopes that are in sent, delivered, or in progress status directly from your phone or tablet. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Only the original sender of the document or authorized account administrators can void it. Recipients cannot void, they can only decline to sign. You can void a document as long as it hasn't been completed, meaning fully signed by all parties. Once voided, the action is irreversible, so be sure before proceeding. First, open the DocuSign mobile app and log in. Navigate to the Manage tab to find the envelope you want to void. Tap the three-dot menu next to the envelope and select Void Envelope. Enter a reason for voiding the document. You'll be prompted to confirm via biometric authentication or PIN. Once you confirm the void, the app immediately sends a notification via email or SMS to all recipients, informing them that the document has been voided. This ensures everyone involved is aware of the cancellation. The envelope status updates to voided in your DocuSign account, making it clear the document is no longer valid. Importantly, voiding preserves a complete audit trail, which includes timestamps of all actions and the reason you provided for voiding. This is crucial for legal compliance and record keeping. Voiding and correcting serve different purposes when working with DocuSign envelopes. Voiding completely cancels the entire envelope, invalidating the document and preventing any further actions. This is useful when you need to start over entirely or withdraw an agreement. On the other hand, correcting allows you to make amendments to a document that has already been sent out for signature. This keeps the envelope active while letting you fix errors or update content. If you need to make changes, correcting is often preferable to voiding and resending, as it maintains the document's progress. However, be aware that correcting options depend on the envelope's current status and your account permissions. DocuSign's mobile app receives continuous updates focused on accessibility and security enhancements. These updates improve user experience and protect sensitive document data. A key update released in July 2025 allows users to void documents directly from push notifications, streamlining the process for time-sensitive corrections. The app now offers better integration with cloud storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox, making it easier to manage documents across platforms. As of 2025, 70% of all DocuSign transactions take place on mobile devices, underscoring the critical importance of robust mobile voiding capabilities. DocuSign maintains robust security through end-to-end encryption using the AES 256 standard, which is a 256-bit advanced encryption standard that ensures voided documents remain completely tamper-proof, meaning any unauthorized changes can be detected. Looking to the future, mobile voiding will see increased integration and automation through APIs, allowing seamless workflows. Emerging technologies like blockchain will provide enhanced security by creating immutable logs that cannot be altered, ensuring complete transparency in document actions. DocuSign plans to incorporate generative AI by 2027 for predictive voiding, which will alert users to potential errors before sending documents. This advancement will make the entire process more efficient and help prevent mistakes from occurring in the first place.